What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be walking you through on how to use bonuses to trade on centralized exchanges. And the centralized exchanges, or the centralized exchange will be doing all of this on, is going to be BINGX. So basically BINGX is probably still one of the most trusted centralized exchanges out there. So if you haven't gotten an account on BIN8, I'm going to have to leave the link in the description below. The bonuses cannot be withdrawn. Keep in mind, it can only be used to trade, and any money you make on top of that in the last 24 hours is going to be all yours. So keep in mind that you cannot withdraw the initial bonus. It is only used to open position. So now all I did was to use the link in the description below to register, and then I'm going to have to verify my identity, which I have did. As you can see, my identity is fully verified. So you might have verified your identity to achieve this, and after verifying your identity you'll be asked to deposit and start trading. I did not have to deposit yet. They gave me the bonus due to the fact that I used the link in the description below. That's the more reason I still emphasize on using the link in my description below to do the registration, so you can set up yourself to also be among the people that will get the bonuses as well. So if you should now head over to Reward Hub after verifying your identity, this place that says Reward Hub, you get to realize that you'll be given some vulture. Basically the vulture is what we use to do all of this, and the vulture I got first was the sign up vulture, which was about 5 to 30, and the advanced identity vulture, which I had claimed already, about 5 to 500. And for the first time vulture, I did not do that since I had not deposited any money yet. So if I should now head over to this place that says reward, view rewards, you get to realize that these are all the voucher I claim due to those three processes: the sign up, the advanced verification, and the last one yet to be completed. Okay, so I had basically gotten like two different voucher and one free voucher just by checking in. So anyways, I think if you should now click off there and now head over to more. Heading over to more, you're going to see like a bunch of interface. Then you click on voucher after claiming your respective voucher. So let us now head over to the voucher itself, and you get to see that you have like a bunch of voucher that you can use. Most of them will be expiring pretty soon, so you need to be very quick to utilize it before it even you know think of expiring. So this was the one I was talking about. I have about 3,500 USDT position to utilize this. So let us click on use, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it. Okay, there are some rules applicable to this voucher, so you might have read these and understand all of this before even opening any position at all. So let's now click on use. I'm going to now click on use, and it will redirect me straight to this page. Okay, you might have changed your leverage to like 10x. Okay, if your leverage is on 20 or 30 or 50, switch it up to 10 via isolated. These are the two things you need to switch it to isolated and 10x, then the bonus is going to pop up. So now you need to either go long or go short, and this position is going to last for 24 hours. After 24 hours elapses, if there is no money, it's going to automatically get expired. So let us do some confirmation based off of BTC USDT. This will enable us to now know what to do. Okay, it's very important you try to know what to do here. So basically we are still in the long, so that practically means that I'm still going to go on the long here, so we can complete the first TP. Usually I do go for like the first TP. It is not mandatory. Most time you will need to pay attention to this point I'll be showing you in a second before you go for the first TP, because it do not like get respected majority of the time. So always pay attention to this thing I'm about to show you in a second before you even try to aim for this first TP, this 72,000. So basically why I'm aiming for the first tip is that if you should look at the last candle before the breakout happened, yeah, you see that there is more wicks to the upper side than the lower side. So that means that buyers are still trying to like push the price upward, but sellers are less in control. So if this candle before this major breakout was longer, even this one here, the last one was longer to the downside than the upper side, I would have go for a sell. So with that information, I'm quite confident that we should get a long within like few minutes. So let's go on along there, and I think the position has been activated apparently. So we will need to sit back and watch out and see what the market does. Hopefully we could get to that first TP. So guys, after a couple of minutes, probably like an hour plus, few hours, we were in some profits, and I told you all that the voucher is going to expire in less than 24 hours. So you should try to know how much you're willing to take out. If you found any profit, it's always advisable to close out, because if the voucher got expired without any profit, you are probably now missing out on the opportunity. So I closed out there at probably around like $18, $19 or thereabout, due to the fact that I did not want it to stay any longer, because the expiration date was like pretty close. So let's make a redraw right now, because this is my first time of like using this exchange, and I check on coinmarketcap.com. They were there. They seems to be very reputable. They have everything in place. So let's withdraw this USDT to our Bybit. This will enable me to like sell it to the P2P and retain my little profits. And I can think of doing some little tax again that will hand me some vulture, so I can use it to also trade as well. So I'll be withdrawing on the BNB Smart Chain network, due to the fact that the fee there is about 0.15 USDT. So let's make that withdraw there. And this is how you make money on centralized exchange without having to deposit, simply by completing some few tags, and there you go. You can set up yourself to also get the voucher as well, but make sure you use the link in the description below to do the registration and the verification. After registering using the link, you verify your identity, and that is pretty much it. And after a couple of minutes, the USDT was now available on our Bybit apparently, so it is now available to be utilized. So that is how it works. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll catch you all later. Peace out.